To make a cloud application is not that difficult. However, to make a secure cloud application, that is complicated. And so for us, security is of the highest importance because we produce intellectual property. And so what Codit helped us to do was to incorporate that security in an automated generation of our landing zones, of our workspaces, and of our applications. The platform has also this specific aspect of creating efficiency for us. And efficiency means making applications quickly, because our researchers need to focus on their research, not on the building of the applications. And what Codit enables us to do is to create those applications very quickly through the automation that we have built in together. And that means that a researcher can build an application in a month or two instead of maybe a year or a year and a half.